Within AsULearn, it is possible to import grades as well. Some faculty have large enrollment courses and may use something like Scantron, and they need to bring those grades into AsULearn. Your first step is to click the Grades link. Typically you fall on the Grader Report page, but click the arrow, scroll down, look for Import. When you come here, your first step is to click and drag over the file. In this example, I have a CSV file and I use Scantron. So here are the column headings. It's important to know those because I need to know which scores I want to bring in. User ID is going to be the banner ID that the student entered. Test score is the raw score. This is the percentage on the exam, and these would be the student names. If a student has misentered their banner ID, that can create a problem on the import. Coming back to AsULearn, I'm going to click and drag over the file. Then I click the Upload Grades button. You're always going to get a preview of what was in your CSV file. This next step is very important. Identify user by. This is where you're matching the fields within your file with the existing fields within AsULearn. In my CSV file, user ID was the banner ID number. In AsULearn, that's called ID number. I want to import the percentage grades, so rather than ignore for this line, I'm going to click here and select Add New Grade Item, and then I click Upload Grades. I love it when things go smoothly, but sometimes you hit an error. And if you hit an error, it's important to note the message. It's going to identify for you which line, based on this banner ID number, was problematic, at which time I need to correct my CSV file and try the process again. So to start over, I've made the corrections to my CSV file. I'm going to go to Grades. I'm going to go to Import. Drag the file over, hit Upload Grades. There again is my preview. Make sure I get my mapping right. Select the line I want to import and select New Grade Item. You can also upload to an existing column if you have one already created. Now I'm going to hit Upload Grades. This time, success. And I just hit the Continue button. If you want to double check things, it took me back to the Grader Report, so I'm going to click here and go to Gradebook Setup. When you import, it automatically adds it as the last item on the Gradebook Setup page. The grade item matches the name of the column heading in my CSV file. So if I go to Edit, to Settings, I can rename that and hit Save Changes. It can also be moved into a category. I hope this video helps.